Morning. I am Riji, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about interfacing of DC motor and relay using Arduino controller. The main objective of this topic to understand about the interfacing of DC motor and relay with Arduino. DC motor. So already we discussed about DC motor. What is a DC motor? DC motor is a direct current motor, is a common type of motor. DC motor normally have just two leads, one positive and one negative. If you connect these two leads directly to a battery, the motor will rotate. If you switch the lead, the motor will rotate in the opposite direction. This is the diagram of the DC motor. So this motor, do not drive the motor directly from Arduino board pin because this will damage the board. Use a driver circuit or an IC to drive this motor. Hardware component. The major components are Arduino UNO, relay module, Arduino USB cable, batteries, and battery connector. So already we will know what is that Arduino UNO and how we are going to connect. Relay. One major concept in this interfacing of DC motor is relay. So relay are helpful when we need to control the circuit using low power signal. So you know the relay pin. So you can see the relay pin how it is connected. So mostly you will have those pins which we connected to the motor and another one side to the battery. So there are different types of relay for multiple applications. So the most commonly used relay as shown in the diagram with the pin number. Circuit diagram. So you will have those Arduino microcontroller, battery, DC motor, relay. So the analog signal is connected here, VCC is connected, input is connected, and the output port. How it will be connected and to be connected to this microcontroller with those batteries. So you can see the pin out information. 5 volt positive voltage, GND negative power supply, pin 7. So is the pin input pin. NO normally open, COM common, normally closed. So this is very important. What we connected to this will act as relay at switch. So the pin will be connected to the COM pin when the relay is on, and normally closed the pin is connected to COM pin when the relay is off. So wiring Arduino with relay board. Take a jumper wire and connect one end of pin number 7 of Arduino. Connect the other end of the jumper to S pin on the relay module. The connection will like image below. So you can see how it is connected. Make the connection between Arduino 5 volt and plus pin on relay module. Make the connection between Arduino ground pin and negative pin on the relay. You can find 3 GND pins on the Arduino UNO. You can connect GND pin which is more easy accessible. Wiring. Connect the positive terminal of 9 volt battery on NO, normally open pin of the relay module. Connect the common pin of the relay module to the positive terminal of DC motor. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to the DC motor. So we took only two modules, normally open, normally closed. If it is normally open, current will flow through the circuit. It is normally closed, there is no current flow through the circuit. So this is the diagram, how we are connected. So you will know to give the connection. So input pin, VCC, ground, and this side you will have a normally open, normally closed, common. So common is connected to the negative of the battery. So once you program it based upon the condition, it will work. This is the program what you have to do. So here we have to set up void setup, void loop. Void setup will have to initialize the pin mode, input pin. So which relay pin, 7th pin is the output. So void loop, digital write relay pin high, motor will rotate. Delay 1000, digital write relay pin low. The relay turned on for 1000 milliseconds. So the delay is given as 1000 and off for 1000 milliseconds. Real time application. This we can drive the relay to turn on light when you detect a motion and turn on the motor when the water level is go below certain application. So that is we can use water level controller in day-to-day application. What is that one? So assessment, which is typically used to control the direction of DC motor interfacing application. diode, resistor, H-bridge, capacitor. Which are the following is commonly used to DC motor from the microcontroller? So mostly we will use a transistor based driver, relay, BJT, MOSFET, transistor based. So from this topic students can understand how to interface the relay module. Thank you.